Of course, doing anything like this involves communicating the storyline to the family. So right now we're here right before Christmas, showing the fam the plan, and there's lots of question marks. Also, it's just full of like storage and boxes right now, so it's hard to see the full vision.
I like how the booze cabinet's already stocked.
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah, the booze cabinet's important. My brother's doing the test drive in the parking lot. Kevin is 6'6". Will you do the like tall test for it works?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're,
plenty of room. Oh yeah. This is not exactly how I pictured leaving for the first time, with all this crap everywhere, but we had to bring everything inside because it's 0 degrees, and it has been for the past several days, and everything was gonna freeze, and we didn't want to run the propane that long. Now I'm trying to put some things away so that we can actually pull out of the driveway. Today is the day. We're leaving the day after Christmas, and it's 0 degrees outside. Nailed it.
The situation is we got a ton of snow over the past 24 hours, and as you can see, it has not been cleared from the roads. But it's not icy or anything. The big deal is, of course, in the first 2 minutes of driving, we have a big hill to get out of the subdivision.
So as long as we make it through the next 2 minutes in Michigan, we're going to be able to make it the 30 hours to Florida.
This is going to be really cute when this audio is put over us stuck in a ditch.
Oh God, don't say that. This is it, isn't it?
Yeah, this is it. Everybody quiet.
Well,
The Michelin XRV is just really hooking up well on the snow. Easy. This was it. This was the only hard part. It's fine.
this is probably the most epic time of year to make this drive from Michigan to Florida, because in the next 2 days we're going to go from 0 degrees to 80 degrees. And overnight tonight in Nashville should be about 40. So it's funny that a day's drive is going to increase 40 degrees every time. Fishers, Indiana, Fishers, Indiana, Fishers, Indiana, Fishers, Indiana, Indy. Well, we forgot a bunch of stuff in a junk drawer when we moved out, but conveniently we live like the first street off of the highway exit on the way that we were going anyways. So it's kind of just like stopping for gas. Pepper, this is where your home was a week ago. She's gonna think that we came home from Christmas, but this is our home. Okay, trip begins now. Woohoo! Even though it was a 5-minute stop in Fishers, now that we're going south from Indianapolis, where we lived all year, this feels more like the start. Before, so this is like the same route of going back and forth between my parents' house, that just felt like coming home for Christmas. But even after 5 minutes, now we're going south. We're going to like Kentucky and stuff, like that is new. Like,
I'm just glad that after driving for 5 hours, now we're starting. So the other 5 hours I drove, that doesn't count.
we have no idea where we're going right now. We're headed towards Nashville, but we think we might be getting in so late that it might not even be worth like trying to go have dinner in Nashville. But only time will tell. Got some Qdoba for a late 4 o'clock lunch, and life is good. Potty stop in Chattanooga, Tennessee. All right, off we go. On to the next state. 3:45 in the morning. Just making the bed at Cracker Barrel so that we can sleep shuffled in between all of our stuff back here. But despite everything, it looks super cozy. .30 a.m. Atlanta, Georgia. Back on the road. It was comfy back there. Like, It was comfy. Even though we're south of Atlanta, we still have like 9 hours. It's very far.
Don't forget, last night, of course, rain, because we were camping. This is the best way to camp in the rain, but still, rain.
Yes, we have found all of the precipitation in the United States along this entire route. It is like the coldest it's ever been in any of these locations. It was like, 20 overnight in Atlanta, which I would think is cold for them, even in the winter. And now it's like 37 and raining, which feels balmy after the 0 yesterday morning.
I'm almost done.
I feel it. I feel the sun. Oh, it feels so warm coming through the window. Ah! We're in like Gainesville and it's like 62 degrees.